Okay, since none of my close by friends had a framing nailer, um, I finally I remembered I've got this little doodad in my toolbox. I bought this when I had to hammer nails underneath my sister's deck, and it works really handy if you're in tight spaces, and I'll show you in a second one of my situations. But I got the nails started. Obviously, framing nails, you can see they came from a strip, but it's hooked to an air hose, and it works off of pressure inside there. If there's pressure on the thing inside there, then it'll start hammering, and this is kind of how it works. And there you can see that was not too bad for 6 nails. And then you can see up here, I had to hammer that 2x4 in there and another one this way. And so it works real slick, because it would have been hard to swing a hammer inside that little opening. So I'm glad I had it.